Hey guys, and welcome back to plumbingpartspro.com. Today we're going to go over a very popular faucet made by American Standard. It's got a high-rise spout with one of those pull-out hoses to give you a spray action. So we're going to show you what cartridge fits that faucet and how to put it in. Check out the video coming up next. Hey guys, so what we have here is an American Standard cartridge assembly that fits a very popular faucet that has a big high arcing kitchen spout. After I show you this cartridge, towards the end of the video, we're going to have detailed instructions of how to install that. So make sure you stay tuned. But first of all, I'm going to pull this cartridge out and kind of show it to you. The number on it is the M951483-0070A. This is a genuine American Standard OEM cartridge. So it's a little bit different cartridge that you see in a lot of your typical faucets. It's a little boxy on one end, almost triangular. So I'm going to kind of hold this up to you so you can see that. And it's kind of pointy on the top here, and then it's got almost squared off at the bottom. And then it's got a plate that's a tan color that's round and larger than the rest of the cartridge. So it's very unique. It's not very big. You can see it in my hand. It's just a tiny cartridge. And this goes in the side of the faucet. So you have the high arcing spout, and then usually the handle's on the side. You pull it over to turn it on, and then front and back to adjust that temperature. So the overall dimension of this cartridge, you're looking about from top to bottom, including the plate, is about 2 1/16 inches. The diameter of that plate, that tan plate on the bottom, is 1 3/8 inches. So it's really hard to measure the other section of it because it does have a flat side and it kind of points down. It does have 3 holes here, and that's how it's held in, is actually with 3 screws. You'll need to reuse the old screws when you install it. So check out the following video and we're going to show you exactly how to put it in. Guys, thanks for watching that installation video. If you guys need this cartridge, check out our store at plumbingpartspro.com. If you have any questions about it, email us, info@plumbingpartspro.com, or just comment down below. Make sure you subscribe because we've got a lot of how-to videos, a lot of parts videos on anything plumbing. I appreciate you guys watching, and you guys have a great day. Thank you.